Mechatronics is a multidisciplinary field of science that integrates the principles of mechanical engineering, electronics, computer engineering, telecommunications engineering, systems engineering and control engineering into a unified discipline while keeping the core mechanical engineering education. In high demand, mechatronics engineers are uniquely equipped to work as mechanical engineers with electronics, instrumentation and real-time software engineering skills. With a core mechanical engineering education and a strong background in integrating electronics, sensors and actuators into devices, mechatronics engineers are a valuable asset in a wide field of engineering. In this article, what is a mechatronics engineer? What does a mechatronics engineer do? What is the workplace of a mechatronics engineer like? What does a mechatronics engineer do? Mechatronics engineers create machines that are made up of several parts: the mechanical system, the sensing and actuation, the control systems and the software. Mechatronics engineers work in all aspects of the development of products, from design and testing right through to manufacture. There is almost no product in the world that is solely electronic, electrical or mechanical in nature. With the growing capabilities of electronics, modern mechanical systems are embedded with electronics and controls. This means that the lines between each discipline are becoming increasingly blurred, and there is a growing demand for mechatronics engineers whose knowledge is strong across all of these areas. From consumer goods, such as microwaves, cars and smartphones, to industrial applications such as CNC machine tools, robots and MRI and X-ray machines, mechatronics engineers use fundamental principles of electrical, mechanical, software, and control engineering in their design and development in order to generate a simpler, more economical and reliable way to do things. Mechatronics engineers create machines that are made up of several parts: the mechanical system, the sensing and actuation, the control systems and the software. An industrial robot is an excellent example of a mechatronics system. It includes aspects of electronics, mechanics, and computing to do its day-to-day job. Some tasks mechatronics engineers undertake: develop solutions to industrial problems by using mechanical, electronic, computer technology, design and build new products, for example, developing robotic vehicles for underwater exploration, introduce automation to factory production lines to improve existing processes, improve previous industrial, manufacturing processes, for example, robotic floor cleaners, design and develop engineering systems for the automation of industrial tasks, apply mechatronic solutions to the transfer of material, components or finished goods, apply control systems which are typically computer-driven, apply electronic, mechanical processes and computers to dangerous tasks in underwater exploration, mining or forestry, study the feasibility of new mechatronic equipment, carry out modeling and analysis of mechanical, electronic or other systems using computers. Are you suited to be a mechatronics engineer? Mechatronics engineers have distinct personalities. They tend to be investigative individuals, which means they're intellectual, introspective, and inquisitive. They are curious, methodical, rational, analytical, and logical. Some of them are also realistic, meaning they're independent, stable, persistent, genuine, practical, and thrifty. Does this sound like you? Take our free career test to find out if mechatronics engineer is one of your top career matches. Take the free test now. Learn more. What is the workplace of a mechatronics engineer like? Mechatronics engineers work in industries such as robotics, aerospace, medical and assistive technology, mining or defense, material handling, human-machine interaction, manufacturing, unmanned aerial and ground vehicles, and education. They may work in laboratories, high-tech companies, large global enterprises, processing plants or engineering offices, but can also be involved with research in emerging fields like bioengineering, nanotechnology and robotics. Mechatronics engineers may be required to travel to present at a conference or view a new design idea or innovative technology. Mechatronics engineers are also known as automation engineer, control system engineer, data logging engineer, instrumentation engineer, controls engineer, development engineer, equipment engineer. A mechatronics engineer gets an average compensation ranging from $64,000 and $96,000 based on tenure level. Mechatronics engineers can expect an average pay level of $88,800 on an annual basis. Mechatronics engineers are paid most highly in the District of Columbia, where they get job pay of approximating $116,420. Employees with these job titles have the highest pay levels in public administration, where they can earn a compensation of $103,380.